Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel where I shared everything that I've learned about data. Today, we're going to be discussing the data analyst responsibility requirements and anything you need to know if you're planning to be data analyst. By the way, if you find this video valuable, hit the thumbs up button and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. Alright, let's get right to it. Well, the first question is, who is data analyst? I know that anyone knows who is a data analyst, but I'm going to tell you a very comprehensive definition. So, a data analyst role involves gathering, refining, and analyzing data sets to provide solutions or answer to problems, right? This profession is found in various sectors such as science, medicine, business, finance, criminal justice, or even government. As a data analyst, you may be tasked with determining the target audience for a company's next advertisement campaign, identifying the age group most susceptible to particular disease, or detecting a pattern of a behavior related to a financial fraud. And these were some examples that I told you, right? And you certainly need to know that data has become a crucial factor in the decision-making process of organization across all industries, right? For example, determining which new product to create, which market to enter, which investment to pursue, which customer to focus on, among the other things. And more importantly, data is used to recognize inefficiencies and other issues within a business that require attention. The primary responsibility of a data analyst in such organization is to evaluate the significance of these key business functions by providing numerical values that can be monitored and evaluated over the time. However, being a data analyst involves more than just working with the numbers. They must also be proficient in utilizing data to facilitate informed decision making within an organization. So let's break down the exact process of data analysis and what typically should be investigated. Number one, data collection. Data analysts should gather data from various sources, including database, surveys, market research report, and they have to ensure the accuracy and completeness of data that they collect. Okay? Number two, data cleaning and preparation. Before they can start analyzing the data, data analysts need to clean and prepare it. This may involve removing outliers, filling in missing values, and transferring data into a format that is suitable for analysis. Number three, data analytics. Data analysts use a variety of tools and techniques to analyze the data. This may include statistical analysis, machine learning algorithm, and data visualization tools. And they use analysis to uncover trends, patterns, and relationships in the data. Number four, data interpretation. Data analysts use their findings to interpret the data and provide insights to decision maker. They use clear and concise language to explain the result of their analysis and provide recommendation for how to act on those insights. Number five, data communication and presentation. Data analysts need to be able to effectively communicate their findings to both technical and non-technical stakeholders, right? And they use data visualization tools and other methods to present the results of their analysis in a way that is easy to understand and actionable. Now, you may be wondering that what exact skill you need to possess to be a data analyst. So, as a data analyst, there are a variety of hard skill and soft skill that are important to possess, right? So now let's talk about the hard skill, which is very important to have as a first stage. Data analyst analytics tools. This is the first skill. Proficiency in using data analytics tools such as Excel, SQL, Python, R, and other statistical software packages is something very essential. Number two, data visualization. Ability to use tools like a Tableau, Power BI, or other data visualization software to create a clear and informative visualization that facilitate the communication of complex data insights. Number three, data management. Understanding of a data management principle, including database design, data integration, data warehouse, and data quality and data governance. Number four, statistical analysis. Proficiency in applying statistical methods and techniques such as regression analysis, hypothesis testing, and predictive modeling to extract meaningful insights from data. So now let's talk about the soft skill. The very first soft skill is a communication. Ability to effectively communicate complex data insights to a non-technical stakeholder in a clear and concise manner, which is very important to have. Okay. Number two, critical thinking. Ability to analyze and evaluate data to identify patterns, trends, and to develop insights and drive informed decision making is a number two skill. Problem solving. Capacity to identify and solve problems related to data quality, data integration, and other data related challenges. Next one, curiosity. Eagerness to explore new and innovative data sources and techniques, and a willingness to learn from mistakes and iterate, right? And next one is time management. The ability to manage multiple projects and priorities, meet deadlines, and work effectively under pressure. But the question that might come to your mind is that how long will it take me to learn all the required skill from scratch? Well, it depends on so many things, but generally speaking, learning hard skills such as data analysis tools and programming language, it can take several months to a year or more of dedicated study and practice. This will involve learning the fundamental of the technology and then practicing it on a real world data sets to gain proficiency, right? But look, I'm telling you this based on my experiment. If you're well focused on the most important skill like a Python and SQL and make yourself involved along the way with some of the sample projects, you can easily accelerate your learning process and see yourself as a junior data analyst less than 3 months. Yeah, it's possible, but you have to start right away. Developing soft skills such as communication, critical thinking, problem solving, and time management and stuff like that can take a longer and is an ongoing process that requires consistent effort and practice. These skills are often developed over the time through a combination of experience, mentorship, and training and feedback. It's important to note that becoming a proficient data analyst is not just about acquiring a certain set of technical and soft skills, but also about developing a deep understanding of a business domain that you're working and being able to apply your skills in a strategic and effective manner. Overall, the amount of time that it takes to learn and obtain this necessary skill to become a data analyst will depend on your individual circumstances, the resources that you have available, and your level of dedication and commitment to learning and improving your skill. The next question that might come to your mind is that where am I supposed to go for learning? I don't know, should I go to university, or should I get the bachelor degrees, or can I pass it whole process online by enrolling online courses? Well, look, a degree isn't always necessary to get hired as a data analyst, because data analysts are in high demand and employer wanted to know that you have enough skill to do the job. But if you don't have a degree, no problem. You should focus on making your portfolio shine and strong so that your employer can trust you better. Moreover, if you want to acquire job-ready data analyst skill without investing a lot of time and money in a degree program, you can enroll in some courses on Coursera.com. I recommend you the IBM Data Analyst course, which is well designed and can provide you the necessary skill to become a competent data analyst. It's a very fantastic course. But I'm gonna clear up one of the common misunderstandings that people have were confused the data analysis and data science. Look, data analysis and data science are often used interchangeably, but they are not exactly the same things. I don't know why people are using the same thing. Data analysis is the process of collecting, cleaning, transferring, and modeling data with the goal of discovering useful information, drawing conclusion, and supporting decision making, right? Have this one. While data scientists use programming, math, and statistics to gain insights and drive organizational strategy. And data scientists are highly adept at machine learning and data modeling that and the use of algorithms to automate processes. I know it's a little bit confusing, it's still a little bit confusing, but in conclusion, while data analysts and data science both involve working with the data science is broader and more advanced field that encompasses data analysis and many other areas. But I'll be trying to create a dedicated video about all differences and commonalities between these two skills, which one you should go for, and stuff like that in the next one. So now let's talk about the average income of both positions. The average income for data analysts and data scientists can vary widely depending on factors such as location, industry, and experience. According to Glassdoor, the average salary for a data analyst in the United States is around $68,000 per year, while the average salary for a data scientist is around $120,000 per year. However, these figures can vary greatly depending on the company, location, and individual's level of experience. All right, that's all for now. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this has been helpful for you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more career-focused content. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.